Tip 44. Irregular verbs. Infinitive. Simple past. Past participle. Arise, arose, arisen. Awake, awoke, awoken. Tip 45. Bear, bar, born. Bit, bit, bitten. Become, became, become. Begin, began, begun. Bend, bent, bent. Bet, bet, bet. Bind, bound, bound. Bit, bit, bit. Bite, bit, bitten. Bleed, bled, bled. Blow, blew, blown. Break, broke, broken. Breed, bred, bred. Bring, brought, brought. Broadcast, broadcast, broadcast. Built, built, built. Burnt, burnt, burnt. Burst, burst, burst. Buy, bought, bought. Tip 46. Cast, cast, cast. Catch, caught, caught. Come, came, come. Cost, cost, cost. Cut, cut, cut. Choose, chose, chosen. Clink, clunk, clunk. Creep, grab, grab. Tip 47. Deal, dealt, dealt. Dig, dug, dug. Do, this, did, done. Draw, drew, drawn. Dream, dreamt, dreamed. Dreamt, dreamed. Drink, drank, drunk. Drive, drove, driven. Tip 48. Eat, ate, eaten. Tip 49. Fall, fell, fallen. Feed, fed, fed. Feel, felt, felt. Fight, fought, fought. Find, found, found. Flee, fled, fled. Fly, flew, flown. Forbid, forbade, forbidden. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Forgive, forgave, forgiven. Freeze, froze, frozen. Tip 50. Get, got, gotten. Give, gave, given. Go, goes, went, gonna. Grow, grew, grown. Grind, ground, ground. Tip 51. Hang, hung, hung. Have, had, had. Hear, heard, heard. Hide, hid, hidden. Hit, hit, hit. Hold, held, held. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Tip 52. Keep, kept, kept. Know, knew, known. Knew, knelt, knelt. Knit, knit, knit. Tip 53. Lay, let, led. Lead, let, led. Lean, lent, lent. Leap, lap, lap. Learn, learned, learned. Learned, learned. Live, left, left. Land, lent, lent. Let, let. Lie, lay, lain. Light, lit, lit. Lose, lost, lost. Tip 54. Make, made, made. Mean, meant, meant. Meet, met, met. Mistake, mistook, mistaken. Tip 55. Overcome, overcame, overcome. Tip 56. Pay, pay it, pay it. Put, put, put. Tip 57. Read, read, read. Ride, rode, ridden. Ring, rang, rung. Rise, rose, risen. Run, ran, run. Tip 58. Say, said, said. See, saw, seen. Seek, sought, sought. Sell, sold, sold. Send, sent, sent. Set, set, set. Sew, sewed, sewed, sewn. Shake, shook, shaken. Shear, shore, shorn. Shine, shone, shone. Shoot, shot, shot. Shout, showered, shone. Shrink, shrank, shrunk. Shut, shut, shut. Sink, sank, sunk. Sink, sank, sunk. Sit, sat, sat. Slip, slept, slept. Slide, slid, slid. Smell, smelt, smelt. Sew, sewed, sewed, sewn. Speak, spoke, spoken. Speed, sped, sped. Spell, spelled, spelt. Spend, spent, spent. Spill, spilled, spilled. Spilled, spilled. Spin, spun, spun. Spit, spat, spat. Split, split, split. Spoil, spoiled, 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 spoiled. Spread, spread, spread. Spring, sprang, sprung. Stand, stood, stood. Still, stole, stolen. Stick, stuck, stuck. Sting, stung, stung. Stink, stank, stunk, stunk. Stride, strode, stridden. Strike, struck, struck. Swear, swore, sworn. Sweat, sweat, sweat. Swept, swept, swept. Swell, swelled, swollen. Swim, swim, swim. Swing, swung, swung. Tip 59. Take, took, taken. Teach, touch, touch. Tear, tore, torn. Tell, told, told. Think, thought, thought. Throw, threw, thrown. Thrust, thrust, thrust. Tree, trod, trodden. Tip 60. Understand, understood, understood. Undergo, underwent, undergone. Undertake, undertook, undertaken. Tip 61. Wake, walk, walken. Wear, wore, worn. Weave, wove, woven. Weep, wept, wept. Wet, wet, wet. Win, won, won. Wind, wand, wand. Withdraw, withdrew, withdrawn. Ring, rung, rung. Write, wrote, written. Tip 44. Exercise. Complete with the verb. To arise. Present. A new challenge arises every morning. Simple past. A new challenge arises during the meeting. Past participle. A new challenge have arisen. Tip 45. To buy. Present. I buy. My clothes once a year. Simple past. I both. My clothes on December. Past participle. My clothes have been both on December. Tip 46. To come. Present. He comes early every day. Simple past. He came late yesterday. Past participle. He had come late for the meeting. Tip 47. To drink. Present. He only drinks water and natural juices. Simple past. He drank a lot yesterday. Past participle. He was drunk. Tip 48. To eat. Present. We eat at 1 p.m. Simple past. We ate a lot yesterday. Past participle. We have eaten a lot lately. Tip 49. To find. Present. They find the keys easily. Simple past. They found the keys under the sofa. Past participle. The keys are ever found easily. Tip 50. To grow. Present. Children grow rapidly. Simple past. My children grew a lot. Past participle. My children have grown a lot last year. Tip 51. To hang. Present. She hangs all the pictures. Simple past. She hung the picture on the wall. Past participle. The picture was hung on the wall. Tip 52. To know. Present. Everybody knows the answer. Simple past. Everybody knew the answer. Past participle. The answer was known by everybody. Tip 53. To learn. Present. I learn a new word every day. Simple past. I learned a new word yesterday. Past participle. A new word have been learned today. Tip 54. To make. Present. They make exercises every day. Simple past. They already made exercises today. Past participle. The exercises have been made today. Tip 55. To overcome. Present. We overcome a challenge every day. Simple past. We already overcame the challenge. Past participle. The challenge have been overcome today. Tip 56. To put. Present. We put the clothes in the closet. Simple past. We already put the clothes in the closet. Past participle. The clothes have been put in the closet. Tip 57. To read. Present. He reads a lot. Simple past. He already read this book. Past participle. This book has already been read. Tip 58. To swim. Present. He swims very well. Simple past. He already swam this morning. Past participle. He has swum in the ocean. Tip 59. To teach. Present. She teaches English. Simple past. She taught English in this school. Past participle. She has taught English in this school. Tip 60. To understand. Present. She understands what it means. Simple past. She understood what it means. Past participle. The meaning was understood. Tip 61. To write. Present. She writes 1 page every day. Simple past. She wrote this book last year. Past participle. This book was written last year.